next file is this sentence file. So the sentence file is the same thing. Okay. So basically, okay, for me, I will just do this sequence for you. So now I made 600 around these ID numbers, and all you need to do is that you just copy and paste, put those like sentences into here. Okay. So when you do it, double click, and then you can just okay, I'll give you an example. So for example, okay, for example, there's a sentence here. Okay, you just copy it, copy that is Command C, and you come back here, double click, and then you can see the cross. You see the cross will change into a slash, and then you just Apple V. Apple V means paste. Okay, so something like that. And if you make something wrong, you want to delete it. Okay, you just right click. Okay, you can right click and then come to here. This is called clear content, something like this. Okay, so if you want to clear a lot of contents. Okay, for example, you have a lot of sentence here, but you made it wrong. Okay, and if you wanna clear this row, if you wanna clear this part, you just right click like clear content. But if you wanna clear a lot of rows, okay, and then you can select them all. And then click clear content. So it means those parts are cleared. So basically, okay, these are the thing I would like to tell you during our meeting. I mean, if you could understand this, okay, so you don't have to come to see me, and we can just keep working. You don't have to see me. You don't have to come over. And also, if you think these words are too small for you, you can just click this one, like plus to enlarge it, or click minus to shrink it. Okay, so basically these are the thing.